To set the Vapour Clean function up, all you have to do is pour 40 millilitres approximately of water into the bottom, these two wells that you see here. To help the sides clean, using a spray bottle with a little bit of more water and fairy liquid will help to just release any debris that's adhered to the side. Shut the door and leave it until the cycle is finished. When the cycle is finished, most of the water will have evaporated, and all you need to do, preferably when the oven is cool, is to take that cloth and just give it a little wipe, and you can see how it's really helped to lift those burnt on stains off the bottom of my enamel.